Let's ride in a car so shiny and bright, zooming down roads from morning to night. Vroom, vroom goes the engine loud, beep, beep, let's drive through the crowd. Pedal your bike on a sunny day, ding, ding goes the bell, out of the way. Helmet on, we're riding fast, through the park we're having a blast. Wheels go round, wings can fly, boats can float and planes soar high. So many ways to get around, on the road in air or off the ground. Chugga chugga, here comes the train, clickety-clack through sun and rain. Choo-choo, let's take a seat, watch the world go by so neat. Sail, sail on the sea, waves go splash as we float free. Toot toot says the boat so proud, seagulls flying all around. Up in the sky the airplane flies, over the clouds and butterflies. Whoosh it goes so high and wide, let's take a trip and enjoy the ride. One step, two steps, here we go, walking slow or walking slow. Left foot, right foot on the ground, marching, dancing all around. Wheels go round, wings can fly, boats can float and planes soar high. Walk or ride, there's fun each day. Let's move and travel, hip hip hooray.